As ladies, we all dream of having smooth, beautiful, and luxurious glowing skin, don't we? Today, I am very excited to share with you how to make a vegan and super easy body cream. You will only need 3 ingredients. It is very simple, holistic, and completely chemical-free. Hello my beautiful friend, welcome back to Haute Couture Life. I am Mana and on this channel, we learn how to be more beautiful, elegant and healthy from the inside out. If you love enhancing your beauty and creating a more beautiful life, don't forget to subscribe and let's create the most beautiful, luxurious community together. While raw fruits and vegetables work perfectly from the inside, this body cream is perfect for winter's dry weather. Let's make it together. For the tool, please prepare a whisk for a small batch or a hand mixer for a larger batch, glass bowl, hot water, and a glass container. For ingredients, please prepare shea butter, coconut oil, and your favorite essential oil. Personally, I adore the scent of roses, so I use this one. It is said that lavender is also wonderful too. Choose whichever you like best. By the way, if you like to know what kind of butter and oils I am using in this recipe, you can check the details in the description box below. As you might already know from Haute Couture Life recipes for meals, the same applies here. You don't need to measure exactly. Let your imagination and creativity flow and establish your own style. You can use more shea butter for a thicker texture. You can also use almond oil or avocado oil instead of coconut oil, or even add rosehip oil. Anything you like. Personally, I love the scent of coconut oil and I have quite a lot, so I use it in this recipe. First, prepare hot water and melt the shea butter and coconut oil together in a glass bowl. Once melted, mix them and place the mixture in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. After the texture becomes like this, add a few drops of essential oil. You can also add vitamin E for longer storage. Even without essential oil, the scent of coconut oil is like a heaven. Then whisk. You can use a hand mixer. I used to have a hand mixer, but I don't use it as a raw vegan now, so I sold it. So I'm just going to whisk by hands. Once it reaches your favorite consistency, voila! How easy it is! Now you have the healthy, beautiful, clean body cream. For the fun part, you can add a little bit beetroot powder to make it pink. I'm sure that anything you can eat is so much better than chemicals. Now you have a healthy, beautiful, clean body cream which is perfectly customized for you. This cream is great for moisturizing your beautiful hands, legs, and your whole body. Smells like a heaven, your personalized and customized body cream. I hope you will enjoy this. After especially becoming a raw vegan, I've become more mindful of not only I put into my body, but also what I put on my skin. Now I am changing whole body and skincare products into more homemade beauty products, such as rose water and rosehip oil, and I'm sure you will love this too. What is your favorite natural holistic skincare product? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your ideas and let's create together in the future. I hope you enjoyed today's beauty recipe video. If you haven't already, you can make the perfect caffeine-free chocolate cake from here. This cake is perfect for the holiday season. For more elegant mindset tools, you can watch this playlist and check out my signature course on how to be your true self. This is perfectly designed to help you become your most authentic, beautiful version of yourself. We are offering a special holiday discount, so please feel free to email me for the details. Merci beaucoup, mon ami. Until next time, stay happy and joyful. Joyeux Noël et bonne année. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will see you next year. Salut and merci beaucoup. Bisous bisous.